Today I will show you how to use macro along with few codings. Okay. First of all, I need to inform you that what is actually macro. A macro are small program that records your action as you perform a task in Excel. So let's begin. Microsoft R. After that, press type Excel. After that, OK. Now your Excel sheet will open or your spreadsheet. Now, what I need to do, you will find your developers tab. Sometimes you will not find your developers tab. So what you need to do, go to the option from the file. After that, customize ribbon, and after that you have to check is developer view tab. If you check or it was checked before, now if I do uncheck, here you will find that my developers tab will not be there. Okay, I have done. Look here, developers is not there. Again you go to the file, you choose that options. After that, what you need to do, go to the customize ribbon, go to the tab, check the developers. After that, okay, you will find the developers option here. Now what you need to do, first of all I need to record. First I will just expand my columns. Okay, you will find that some width. After that you will find some coding on it. Just expanding up to F I have done. Okay, what I need to do, go to the view, go to the macro, record the macro. You write something like test. Okay, after that you can write here shortcut key as Control Shift is default. K you can press, and after that you can write some description created for learning purpose. Created for linear learning basic. Now how you will get to know that your macro is recording? So first of all you need to go and click on this one. You will find that it stopped recording. That means it is recording. Now you need to write hello everyone. This is Abhi. Okay. So you can write like this. It will be recorded. Now if you want to see the code, first of all you need to stop the macro. So you stop the records. After that, what you need to do, you go to the view records, view macro. After that you can find that if I click on the run, you will find that hello is being written here. That means it has been recorded. If you do this one, view macro, run, it has been recorded. After that, what you need to do, go to the view, edit. Now you can find that you have your macro has recorded your code. Okay. After that, what you need to do, this is how your code has been generated. That is your CUI, and we were doing previously GUI, that is graphical user interface. Okay, whatever I have written, that subject test, and I have written created for the learning purpose. After that, Control Shift plus K, hello everyone, this is Avik everyone. Okay, whatever I have written, that thing only it is written here. Okay, nothing else. Whatever you have recorded, same thing, because I have recorded 2 times. I have changes everyone here, I have changed again in here. So for this purpose, it has given you 2 times. Now you understood. Now what you need to do, I want to type one simple program that is used for macro coding. That is used for macro coding. Now what you need to do, you can go ahead with this one, insert. After that module, when you click on the module, I just want to calculate sum. So what you need to do, function function, after that total bracket open bracket close, that is parenthesis. After that, TOTAL total equals to 200 plus 150. Okay. After that, click on here. Now you will find that do both the total is there. That means this is the function of name and it is the body of the function. Okay. Now what you need to do? Nothing to do. You go to all plus F11. If you do all plus F11 from your keyboard, you type equals to T OTA and total bracket open bracket close will give you 200 plus 150 how much? Almost 350. So this is how you need to do your program. Again, if you want to go all plus F11, you can change the symbol to multiply. I'll just showing you just a minute. I'm just showing. You will get the answer again all plus F11. You will find that equals to TOTAL bracket open bracket close. You will find 30,000 because I have multiplied. This is how you can calculate by using macro function. Okay. Now again there are many more process I will show you. First of all, how to save. You can go ahead with this one, save as. After that, in my computer in the desktop you can save your this file in desktop only as a book one. You can see that a macro has been saved. Now if you close it, you can see it is coming here. Now I know required book one, so I can delete also. Shift delete, it will permanently delete. Again you open my Excel. After that, what you need to do, I'll show you more codings on it. So one more codings is there, how to display your value, whatever you have typed, that part will be displayed by clicking on that button. Now what you need to do, first of all, you have to go to the developer view. In that developer view, you have to go to the insert button. In that insert tab, you have to go to the button. On that button you have to just create nothing, just create like this and button underscore click. Now go to the new. When you go to the new, they will give you a subject button 1 underscore click. After that, what you need to write? DIM X as integer. After that, in that X you will have to write was assign some values. After that, in message box, this is a message box. I have written triple, TRIPLE triple. Within a bracket you will write X bracket close. After that, message MSG message box X. After doing this is actually the subject that I have put. Then the value I have assigned as a 10. After that, I have to do the function 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 TRIPL triple and a triple look it should be big because both are same triple. After that, by ref reference X as integer bracket close, enter. Now your function has been written. Now you have to multiply X equals to X multiply 5 or 3, whatever you want. After that, TRIPLE is equal to what? X. That means they will give you 3. Now, if you understand this full coding, that it has been assigned, how much I have assigned in the X variable 10, and this is a button underscore click. When we will click that button, the answer will give you 30 because 10 multiplied 3 will give you 30. So these are the function of the triple that I am calling this triple function. From here I am calling to here. By reference, which integer I am talking about? I am talking about this integer. and integer में how much it will store? 10. 10 multiply 3 will give you 30. So let's see the answer. Alt F11, if you press Alt F11, you will have to find out. While clicking on that button, you will find that the answer will give you 30. Look, the answer is giving you 30. Okay karo? This is how your macro works, and this is how your VB coding works with your Excel. Okay, have you understood? After that, you save it as your normal process. Again, if you want to see, you can see the answer is 30. 3 multiply 10 is 30. If you want to see one time, you can go to the code. You can see once. If I assign 20, that will be 20 multiplied 3 will give you how much? You can see here. No need to calculate, just see properly. Click on this one, 60. 20 multiplied 3 is 60. This is how you can work on with your buttons in Excel, and that is the one way you can say that passing an argument to a macro by reference. Okay, thank you. Have you understood? And subscribe my channel. My channel name is Study to Foodie.